today we are doing division with decimals. So you can see this is what your paper is going to look like. All of the decimals are inside the house, okay? Which means, and you know, you can thank me later, it's all single digit division, okay? Single digit, all right? You guys can all do this. Remember, we have divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, okay? I feel like I'm screaming, but yesterday I feel like my video was so quiet. So sorry if I'm loud today. You have your decimal in your house. So I'm going to say 47 and 5/10. And I'm going to put a 5 on the outside to keep it simple. There's one on the quiz. The first one has a 5 on the outside. All right, here's remembering our steps. We're going to ask ourselves, we're pretending there's no decimal right now, just like we did with the multiplication. No decimal, we're just dividing. 475 divided by 5 for right now, okay? So does 5 go into 4? Nope. Does 5 go into 47? Yep. So we're going to start over the 7, okay? I do my facts. 5 goes into 47 9 times. 9 times 5 is 45. I subtract and I get 2. Now I bring down. I start all over. Does 5 go into 25? Yep. How many times? 5 times. Make sure this is the most important part. You have to be carefully lining up your numbers up here. So my 5 has to go here. Okay? 5 times 5 is 25. I subtract, I get 0. Today, if you get a remainder, you did something wrong. There's no remainders, okay? There's not going to be remainders tomorrow either. So if you get a remainder, try again. Remainder of 0, and then look how easy it is. Now we go, oh, there was a decimal. I'm going to bring my decimal straight up like that. And now I have 9 and 5/10, okay? That's why I'm saying it's so important that you line up your answers or your numbers in your answer. Because if you stick this 9 over here and the 5 here, well, now you have an answer of 95. We don't want that, okay? So everything has to be lined up, okay? And we did this already this year, lining stuff up. So hopefully we can do it. All right, let's see. Let's put a 3 on the outside. And how about 2, 5, how about a 2, 5, 2? Okay. And I'm going to stick my decimal, and I'm going to stick my decimal, let's stick it right here. Okay. So I'm pretending there's no decimal. All right. Does 3 go into 2? Nope. Does 3 go into 25? Yes. So I'm starting my answer over the 5. So 3 goes into 25 8 times because 8 times 3 is 24. Now we subtract and we bring down. We start over. Does 3 go into 12? Yep. How many times? 3 goes into 12 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. We subtract. No remainder. You're not finished. You have to bring your decimal straight up, okay? So my decimal goes straight up, and my answer is 84 hundredths, okay? Decimal 84. Again, if you aren't careful, you might put the decimal in the wrong spot. So it's super important that you line everything up, okay? You have to show your work on this page. That's why there's boxes, okay? Some of you didn't show your work yesterday, and then you had to do it again, all right? You don't want to do it again. There's some reminders in here. I even put an example here. I've reminded you to be neat so that your numbers are all being lined up, okay? There's only 3 questions. Do the same thing like yesterday. I promise I'm not trying to make your life difficult, all right? I want you guys to feel successful. I want you to be proud. I want you to be encouraged that you're doing this. You can do this, all right? So this is on your quiz on Thursday. So hopefully this video helped. If not, remember, you can go back. You can pause it while you're doing the worksheet. You can kind of work along with me as I'm going through them. All right, any questions? Shoot an email. Say you're not sure. please make sure you go back and check your feedback, whether you got a 2 out of a 2, a 1 out of a 2, or hopefully not a 0 out of a 2. Okay? And I think that's it. So, great job yesterday. Keep up the great work this week. And that's all for now. All right? If you need anything, let me know. All right, bye, guys.